Alright, here's some news that's coming up. I'm not sure if you're aware of it, but NASA's about to destroy a major asset, and they're going to crash it right into Saturn. It's going to happen this Friday. The Cassini spacecraft will do a nosedive into Saturn and burn up into the planet's atmosphere. Now, it's the final step of a months-long dance through Saturn's rings as they're giving scientists an unprecedented view of the sixth planet from the Sun. But why are they destroying this? Let me tell you, they're capturing all kinds of UFO anomalies. This Cassini craft has been orbiting Saturn since 2004, and what they've been sharing with us is quite extraordinary. Almost, would you say, out of this world? There's photographs that the Cassini has been capturing, and let me tell you, this is really weird. They're going to crash it, do a nosedive, and try and capture some kind of imagery as they do this. But let me tell you, is this some kind of scuttle? That's my big question. Now, the Cassini began its billion-mile journey from Earth to Saturn on October 15, 1997, and it was named after the astronomer Giovanni Cassini. He discovered the planet's moon and a gap in its rings. But what are being captured within the rings, these anomalies that are massive in size? Are these interdimensional crafts harvesting the energy off the rings or Saturn itself? Or are they just stationed up there? It's kind of weird. I got Brent Cousins here, and these anomalies that Cassini's captured, and now they're going to burn this thing up. Is it worth it?
Yeah, Blake, why is NASA sending a suicidal mission to our workhorse in our solar system? Unfortunately, this is the end of our eyes around Saturn, and NASA does not have any anything planned in the future for any mission to Saturn. No eye on Saturn, and basically that's uncalled for. We need to basically keep this mission up. Basically, they're scuttling it. That's the unfortunate part. We are seeing moons, anomalies, everything around there that's intriguing, that we've just tapped the surface, and now they're gonna kill this mission. What a bummer.
Now, for the conspiracy theorists, absolutely, Brent, it is a bummer, and there is a spacecraft that the Cassini has not been equipped with that's quite unfortunate. Apparently, they don't have life-detecting instruments, and as no one could have ever imagined, this might take such discoveries that were launched 20 years ago. So this is very weird. They're going to crash it into Saturn, but there's no instruments to detect life. Are they sure that they should go through with this, with all the information coming in, even though they are kilobytes of information as it's broadcast back to NASA? I think they're giving up a major asset. What's your thoughts, people? Brent?
Yeah, I would like to add, I'd tell NASA, let's just abort this mission right now and keep this apparatus in our solar system, because we need it. It's a tool. It's vital. And I bet this mission that they're going to do and scrap this thing into Saturn, I bet we really don't come up with much information. I think they're trying to hide these anomalies that are too close for comfort for NASA.
Absolutely, Brandon. What's really cool in a way that they do transmit this information to us, but I'm wondering on how they're going to share the information. See, there's an 83-minute delay. So because of the time delay in the communication between Saturn and Earth, the final message won't arrive at Jet Propulsion Laboratory until 83 minutes later, just before 5 a.m. See, now they will be able to look at the footage, and then if they see anything that's kind of crazy out there that they capture as they do this death dive towards Saturn, we're not going to see the images. I'm wondering how this is going to be. At one point, the Cassini will have burned up in Saturn's atmosphere as a tiny bright meteorite streaking across the alien sky. According to NASA, they call it an alien sky, obviously. Could there be life on Saturn? Probably not, but I believe there are starcraft very close in proximity to the planet, the ring planet.
Yeah, unfortunately, everybody's looking forward to this amazing atmospheric phenomenon known as Saturn, whatever it is, all these gas clouds. And I think we're going to be basically a little upset with the footage they come up with. They're not going to deliver anything. If anything, this thing's going to break up. The gravity of the pull of Saturn is going to tear this little satellite to shreds.
Yeah, don't you kind of feel sorry for the scientists who have devoted their entire lives to this mission? It's going to be a tough loss for them, let me tell you. And Cassini is Cassini is our eyes and ears, allowing us to be there, but now they're going to be torching it up. It's going to be a burning amber fire as it approaches Saturn's atmosphere. It's going to be quite incredible. I hope NASA does share images with us. I'm sure they're going to do it, but you got to keep a close eye, people, because they like to Photoshop and blur images out, but sometimes they make mistakes just like everybody. We're all human beings, but let me tell you, people like you have a good eye, and share it with me if you see anything weird, because I got a feeling Friday we're going to be seeing something that we can't explain.
Yeah, NASA, abort this mission, and if it doesn't happen by Friday, Godspeed, Cassini.
Absolutely, Cassini, you did good work, and don't give it up. Give it your best last shot. Blake Cousins. Thanks, Brent. Keep your eyes on the skies, everybody. We'll see you again next time.